Well, with severe weather possible, and it's back in the forecast, I figured we'll start things off with a look at how August has been so far in terms of severe weather, and thankfully there hasn't been much. No tornadoes, no hail reported at all this month. Just a couple of dozen wind reports from some thunderstorms earlier in the month. Now, you look at tornadoes across the United States, we've had over 1,500 of them. That is the highest total to date since 2011. So it has been a very above average year for tornadoes across the lower 48. And as I said, thankfully for us, no tornadoes, which is certainly good news across the state. And it's not really looking like tornadoes are possible here over the next 24 to 36 hours. Certainly thunderstorms are later today, especially tonight and into early Friday morning, but the rest of the period looks nice and quiet, which is certainly good news for the weekend and into early next week. We do expect clouds to be on the increase as we go through the day, with those rain chances starting to increase, especially after sunset and into our Friday morning. You'll see all those clouds around today. For the most part, there could be some peaks of sunshine mixed in there as well, but I'm thinking we're going to see more clouds than sunshine. Notice we get after sunset, here comes some of those widely scattered showers becoming more widespread as we get into tonight, and especially by Friday morning. That's when I think we'll see the most active period of weather will be that Friday morning time frame. And you look at the severe threat for tomorrow, yeah, that marginal risk, so that's the lowest on the scale. So a couple of isolated severe storms are possible, posing mainly a wind, maybe a small hail threat as well. So as I said, we're going to call it more clouds than sunshine today. We should remain dry. That's the main part throughout the day, with temperatures for the most part a few degrees above average, upper 80s, lower 90s for the most part. And then lows tonight, as that rain increases in its coverage, lows will be 5 or 6 degrees above average because of all the cloud cover, lower 70s, that is about it. But you look at the extended forecast, it's really not too bad. Don't forget the State Fair opens up in Louisville today. We'll see periods of rain and storms for our Friday. It does not look like the best way to wrap up the week, but most of that should be out of here by early Saturday morning. We could also see a scattered or isolated shower on Sunday, but the rest of the extended period looks dry.